I get lost sometimes, you're the one to find and hide with me. Stare up at the sky with me, tell me I'll be fine, alright. And I believe everything you say is steady guiding me. Fly with me, we got the world, we got some miles to see. I'm obsessed with you and everything that your mind is. You're really the realest and you're the kindest. So we're in your car again, I'm in the passenger, playing our song, turning it up, you're taking me home. I don't wanna get out, I don't wanna go. I love when we're together. Keep my jumper, you look better in it than me, oh baby, it's whatever. I've been obsessed with you for some time now. Depressed but I feel alright now. I've been looking for love, looking for someone to stay. And I'd say, without you I think I'm broken. You'd laugh, I don't think I'm joking. We can love, we can trust, we can chuck all the pain away. You got the best vibe, I'm not giving it up. Well now it's bedtime, and you took all the covers. But I don't mind, it's a 1 in a million. Go on baby, fuck it up for a real one. Looking for somewhere to stay. What if home is not a place, but it's a person? Don't need no walls or doors or barriers, no curtains. Just brown eyes that keep you safe for certain. Getting homesick, get me home quick, cause I'm hurting. My home is warm and smells like Dior and vanilla. She brings me comfort, I bring flowers back with dinner. I'll light my incense and just hope that this goes quicker. Getting homesick, get me home quick, cause I miss her.